Thank you, Madhav. It was a private event, and you can have still photography, you can have videos or drone photography, or in a pandal, or in a home. It all depends upon you where you want to draw the line, where you don't want to, and how much you want to do. It's a private event. You can have elaborate wedding ceremonies, you can have it in the court. That depends upon you. And the CJI invited the Prime Minister, so big deal. In the past, CJIs and other judges have attended iftars and Christmas gatherings by politicians, including those in the cabinet. How is that okay? And him hosting guests, that another thing was done. That why is the CJI calling just the Prime Minister and not the opposition members? How do you know he hasn't invited, and how do you know that some of them have gone or not gone? The fact is that it's a private event. Do you choose kisko bulaya, kisko nahi bulaya? That's not there. I mean, the questions which were raised were so bizarre. Why is the Prime Minister wearing a Maharashtrian attire? A former editor writes that. Why is the Prime Minister wearing a Maharashtrian attire? Is there assembly elections in mind? I mean, that is the kind of scrutiny over Prime Minister's sartorial choices, whether he's wearing a veshti or he's wearing headgear from Rajasthan or Nagaland or Assam or whatever. It never gets this approval, from these self-appointed secularists or fashion police, who say that ye theek nahi hai, ye theek hai. I mean, the Chief Justice is a devout Hindu. He has never hidden the fact. He goes to temples, he performs pujas. I mean, he's not a hypocrite, closet practitioner of traditions and customs which his religion or his Hindu faith is associated with. It depends. You can do it in open or you can do it in closed doors. That's the beauty of the Hindu faith, that it allows you the ability to practice it in whichever way you want. And there are questions whether I think it was Mr. Sibal who said, or somebody, I don't remember exactly who said that if he hosts a Sora in his house, it's in a government bungalow or something like that. Who's going to scrutinize? Suppose Mr. Sibal hosts a party tomorrow for Diwali. Are you going to say that no, it's in a government bungalow? He's president of the Bar Association. As president of the Bar Association, he should invite journalists. He should invite right-wing leaning journalists, left-wing leaning journalists, because it is in a government thing. I mean, this is all, you're just taking it to the extreme. Kuch hai nahi bolne ko. If the executive wanted to influence the judiciary, it would not be done in such an open manner. They would do it in a more insidious manner, any government which is there. It's not done in this manner.
All right, and let me bring